I love talking about chimney crickets. One thing I love to talk about is chimney crickets, because at Roofer Chicks, we are experts at chimney crickets and we do it better than anyone else that I know of. So what is a cricket and why do you need it? Some people call it a saddle, and it goes on the back side of a chimney uphill, so you don't even see it from the ground necessarily. What it does is it creates a peak on the back side of that chimney so that the water can divert. When it hits, it'll go down and divert around the chimney, instead of, if you don't have that, the water comes down and hits the back of a flat chimney and debris builds up and it creates damming, and then water can run uphill and under the shingles or metal or whatever type of roof you have and into the interior of the home. It's actually code. If your chimney is wider than 30 inches, you have to have one on the back of your chimney, and a lot of builders skip it, and especially older homes too. I've seen like 5-foot chimneys with no cricket on the back, and that's just crazy. You're just asking for problems. If you don't have one, how you get it? At my company, if somebody doesn't have a cricket and we're redoing their roof, I will not reuse old flashing even if they have one, and if they don't have a cricket, we automatically install it. But you don't have to get a whole new roof to get a cricket. You can actually find a company such as ours, or there's lots of them out there that will come out and build a cricket and just do that as a repair item. It's fairly expensive. It's a lot of work. We custom make them on site out of metal, and so we're up there soldering and we make it a custom fit. Other methods of doing it, or you can try and order it from a metal shop, which we used to do in the past, but if you're even off just a little bit, it won't fit, and so that gets pretty frustrating. A lot of contractors also stick build them, so they use 2x4s and decking, and they create a cricket on the back, and then they'll often shingle over that.